In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect DNSE to Tradingview. This streamlined process allows you to integrate DNSE with Tradingview, giving you access to real-time charts and analysis directly with your DNSE account. Let's dive right in to see how easy it is to set everything up. First, you'll need to head over to Tradingview, which is a popular online platform well known for its comprehensive range of tools for financial market analysis. You can find TradingView with a simple search in your web browser or by typing in tradingview.com directly into the address bar. Once you're there, logging into your account and familiarizing yourself with the layout can be beneficial if you haven't done so before. The next step involves clicking on Supercharts. This option is usually easy to find on the user interface, and it's where you'll find the most powerful charting capabilities that TradingView offers. Supercharts let you access multiple chart types, timeframes, and a plethora of technical indicators. It's essentially where the magic happens, so go ahead and click on it. Once you've loaded the supercharts, navigate your way to the trading panel. You'll typically find the trading panel beneath the chart itself, often represented with an icon that looks like a pair of arrows or similar trading symbols. Clicking on this opens up a host of options related to connecting various brokerages and trading tools directly to your TradingView charts, making your trading experience seamless. Now, what you want to do next is click on Show All Brokers. This step is crucial because it expands the list of brokers you can connect to your TradingView account, allowing you to see and select DNSE from the list. It's important here to be sure you see the entire list to not miss out on your desired broker. Sometimes, the list may appear in a condensed form, so make sure it's fully expanded. After opening up the list of brokers, it's time to look for DN. The list is usually sorted alphabetically, so scanning through shouldn't take too long. Once you find DNSE, it's a good practice to double check that it's the right brokerage and correct listing to avoid any connection issues. Lastly, when you have located DNSE on the list, click on it and select Connect. Following this, you'll be prompted to enter your DNSE account details if you haven't already. Make sure your credentials are entered correctly to ensure a successful connection. Once you're logged in, you should receive a confirmation that the DNSE broker is now connected to your TradingView account. And there you have it. Following these steps will allow you to monitor and execute trades using the tools available in both DNSE and TradingView, setting you up for enhanced trading experiences. Thank you for following along, and happy trading.